Good morning, Valdosta. Looks like we're in for another rainy week. On rainy days like these, the whole world can seem to lose all its color. And when it rains, it pours. But try and look on the bright side. At least it's not a hailstorm. Ah, home sweet home. It's been a long and eventful spring break, and I'm looking forward to sleeping in my own bed again. Lights out. Here's to some well-needed rest. What the hell? Where am I? Am I dreaming? Okay, this is a nightmare. Nice. This is getting weird. What's that sound? Oh no. No, anything but that. No.
Tap dancers?
It was just a dream. Tuesday. I'd tell you how much I hate Tuesday, but frankly, I don't even have the energy. Tuesday I had to record a video at my dad's office.
What's up, guys? What am I supposed to be now?
Landon, put your hands on the counter and just stare into the mirror.
Angry, disappointed in yourself. I'm really glad with how it turned out. After we wrapped up, it was time to go to class. In Intro to Media, we learned to work with text tools in Premiere Pro. Then it was time to go to my second media class for the day. Man, I really should have gotten more sleep. Started to... Oh, not again. Yeah, I'm definitely dreaming. I mean, there's no way any of this is real. Might as well enjoy it while I'm here. What's your problem? You know what? This place is kind of fun. Too bad it's all in my head. Bong. I've got to stop dozing off. No more late nights. Wednesday was boring as usual, not worth talking about. On Thursday, I found myself locked in the apartment of a maniac. There were blueprints and schematics for weapons lying around everywhere. I don't know what this guy is planning, but it can't be good. Just play along, and maybe he'll let you out of here alive. We tried to watch Schindler's List on his projector, but ended up having to watch it in the living room on his tiny TV. It was a good movie. When Friday rolled around, the world slowly started to regain its color. We started the morning off by heading down to the beach to soak in the sun. After that, we decided to go get some barbecue. Then we took a stop at the Kummer Art Museum. I saw a lot of butts. And this really cute cat. Then I found out my friend Jared happened to be in town, so we decided to get together.
I'm at the bar right now. It's getting a little crowded, so I'm not sure how I feel about that, but otherwise, pretty good stuff.
Then we finished the night off by going to Hamburger Mary's to watch a drag show. It was a good way to end an otherwise gloomy week. Thanks for watching.